Hey guys, welcome back to episode 9 here. Today we're going to be doing a sheep farm. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, gathered up all the materials for the sheep farm. I got all the dyes, and I got all the shears. Time to get building. Alright guys, I built pretty much all the redstone part of the farm for the automatic storage, but I still need to wait until sheep spawn and then I'll breed them, and then once I breed them I'll cut back to you when I have them all in their pens. Alright guys, I got all the sheep in, dyed them all the colors, and also put all the wool here in the back where the storage system is, so it's all gonna fill up properly. And yeah, I'm just gonna AFK this thing for a little while and see if I can get some wool. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the end. Hopefully this does not kill me. We're gonna make it that tall. I'll make it one more taller. Actually, no, I like it like that. That's good. And we're gonna put the stairs all the way around. That way we can get it from every side. Mine that block. I guess we can do it like this. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough stairs, but we can try. Hopefully I do. I kind of like that actually. And then we will just build the same thing here. And repeat on the other side. And then we're gonna just plop these in the right directions. And we're gonna have to get out of here. And I'll see you back when I get the 2 more eyes. Alright guys, I got the 2 more eyes. Time to go to the end. Alright guys, I have the dragon egg, the Electra, couple shulker shells, and 2 ender chests, and I got some coarse flower fruits, and 13 diamonds. I am ready to make an enchantment table. Alright, finished up with the enchantment table. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.